half. WWJ's John Hewitt joining us live with more from outside the ballpark for opening day 2021.
Jackie has certainly been among the most unusual openers in Tigers history. Attendance capped at 8,200 fans, and I'll be curious to see if they actually reach that level or not. We've had some swirling snow to start the day, bright sunshine and blue skies across the way as well. Snow back with us as we speak. And inside, though, one of the changes fans do need to make note of is concessions. They will be cashless this spring. You're ordering with an app, something Bob Rogowski of Troy found out the hard way as he went to get some hot dogs for he and his wife, Claire.
He went to get the hot dogs, and after he left, the sign for the app flashed on the screen, so he missed the whole thing.
It's a whole learning process, definitely, trying to figure out the ins and outs to make it, but we'll be back. Yeah, we'll be back.
As for the game, the Tigers are leading 3-0 as they head to the top of the ninth here against the Cleveland Indians. Miguel Cabrera with a 2-run homer in this one, way back in that snowy first inning. Hopefully they can hold on and win the opener here at Comerica Park. Reporting live, John Hewitt, WWJ News Radio 950.
Sales were up 1% in the quarter. Their retail sales, the sales at dealerships, were up 23%. Ford analyst Eric Merkel says people are going for the top trims as well.
You know, our highest end Bronco Sport is the Badlands edition, and really, you know, the demand far outpaced what we thought the market would want.
GM sales were up 4%, but 19% at retail. Stellantis sales up 5%. 25% at retail. Reporting live, I'm Jeff Gilbert, WWJ News Radio 950.
Here on News Radio 950. Make sure you're listening at 417 for the key word and your chance to win $1,000. Now it's time for traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 8th at 4:08, and here's KT.
Small traffic is sponsored by Grand Traverse Resort and Spa. Looking through the AAA Jam Cam, seeing slow in the I-75 work zone both ways between 8 and 14-mile roads. Still big delay at the Blue Water Bridge, and over an hour U.S. bound, 30 minutes into Canada, 40 minutes for truckers U.S. bound at the Ambassador Bridge. Looking through the AAA Jam Cams, coming out of the city on the Jeffries, the Lodge Freeway, as well as I-94 westbound into Dearborn. You are moving with no delays. Also no problems on I-275 in Canton and downriver. Make the most of spring break with a getaway the whole family will love. Plus enjoy retail discounts, a resort credit, and up to 30% off regular room rates. Brand new spring break tips today at Grand Traverse Resort.
A few stray flurries across parts of the area. Most of the activity is north and east of Detroit, especially towards St. Clair County. We're doing a couple of flurries around Port Huron right now. And we'll be continuing through the rest of the afternoon with clouds and breaks of sunshine. It will turn out clear for us and bless tonight. Not as cold as today, high 48. Parts of county tomorrow night, low 31. Breezy and milder on Saturday with intervals of clouds and sunshine, a high near 60. And even warmer for Easter Sunday and for Monday, we'll have intervals of clouds and sunshine. High temperature both days right around 70 degrees. 33 right now in Ann Arbor, 33 at Metro Airport, 34 downtown. I'm actually with the meteorologist Bob Thompson.
updates around the clock. Next update coming up at 4:18 and always at WWJNewsRadio.com.
The latest on the coronavirus and all breaking news is easy to get. Ask Alexa or Google Home to find WWJ News Radio 950 or search WWJ 950 on Roku.
WWJ News Time now 4:10. A local company